You need to watch this if you struggle with choosing the right smart ring. Samsung's Galaxy Ring is making waves even before its release, but not for the reasons you might think. This is just a quick reminder before we move on. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help me out. A recent report suggests this gadget could come with a hefty price tag of around $486 in France and possibly $450 in the US. Now, why the high cost? Unlike its competitor, the Aura Ring, which starts at $299 and requires a monthly subscription of $5.99 for full features, Samsung might bundle everything into the initial price. Rumors hint at advanced features like blood pressure monitoring, which could justify the cost. So, while it's pricey, it might save you from monthly fees down the line. Stay tuned as Samsung reveals more details. Will the Galaxy Ring be worth the splurge? Only time will tell. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Remember to keep your finger on the pulse for our next video escapade. Thank you for tuning in, and I'd love to hear your feedback in the comments section. Remember to show love by hitting the like button and subscribing for more content.